In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Weebly to enhance your website. This is a straightforward guide, so let's dive right in and get started with Weebly. First, you'll want to head over to your Weebly account. Once you log in, you'll find yourself on the overview page. This is essentially your dashboard where you'll get a snapshot of everything that's happening with your site. It's the control center for your Weebly journey. Next, it's time to make some changes to your website. Look for the Edit Site button, which is typically prominent and easy to spot on your dashboard. Clicking on this will take you straight into the Weebly editor. This editor is where all the magic happens, letting you modify and shape your website as you see fit. In the editing interface, you'll notice a small X at the top or side of the screen. This marks a close or exit option for certain prompts that might be distracting you from your main task. Clicking it can help clear up your workspace, allowing you to focus more on the task at hand without unnecessary interruptions. Now let's move on. Look for the Show All Elements option. Clicking on this expands a menu of all the diverse elements that Weebly provides to help you customize your website. It's like having a toolbox at your fingerprints, offering everything from basic text blocks to advanced multimedia embeds. Once you've opened up the Elements menu, look for the Embed code option. This is especially useful if you want to add custom features by embedding external content from other sources. Click and drag the embed code element to your desired spot on your web page. This action creates a placeholder where you can input any custom HTML, giving you the flexibility to add unique content. With your new element in place, click on the box that appears. This is where the customization begins. Clicking on this box opens an editor where you can modify the HTML to suit your needs. To do this, locate the Edit Custom HTML button. Clicking this allows you to input the specific HTML code you have. Here's a neat tip. If you're looking to integrate an Instagram feed into your site, this is where you type your desired HTML code or embed code for that feed. This feature is a great way to keep your website dynamic and full of engaging, constantly updated content. Finally, to make sure that all your changes are preserved, simply click away from the box. This action acts as a save function within the Weebly editor, ensuring that your newly embedded content will appear live on your site. And that's it. You're all set with a new custom feature on your Weebly site. Keep exploring and experimenting with Weebly's tools to unlock even more possibilities for your website. Enjoy crafting a site that truly reflects your vision.